What's happening, bro? You straight?
Huh?
You straight?
Shit, I just ran out of gas. You got a gas can?
I just took my gas can out, bro.
Damn.
I just took it out of here.
I
Damn.
had one on back.
Yeah, I'm about to say, if you have one, I'll go run and grab you some. Oh. And in order for me to go to the house, it's gonna take me about 20 minutes to come back.
What you say?
So in order to go to my house, it's gonna take me about 20 minutes to come back. Shit. I'm gonna go run and see if I can grab a gas. Just to go walking. Yeah, I told them I had to go get a gas can. They done took all walking on me.